Is installation safe in this age of social distancing? In the process of mitigating the COVID-19 outbreak, our installation crew has been instructed to follow strict guidelines provided by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and local health authorities to ensure the safety and health of your workers. And since many employees are instructed to work from home, this is an ideal time to install because of the decrease in human contact. So, let's break down the things Big Shine is implementing to ensure safe installation. Daily screenings. Implementing daily health checks for installation members is an important step prior to any job. The screenings are a routine process of systematically reviewing each employee's health status to make sure they are able to do their role without posing potential health risks to themselves or others. In compliance with social distancing measures, only one crew member is permitted on a lift at a time. Workers with a history of immunodeficiency who have been exposed to anyone ill or have flu-like symptoms must stay home to protect the health of themselves, fellow crew members, and facility staff. All installation and facility equipment must be sanitized twice daily, using EPA-registered disinfectants to ensure the safe and effective use of the products. Personal protective equipment, or PPE. Each crew member must wear masks that covers the nose and mouth. Wear gloves when handling equipment, tools, and products. Wear protective clothing for personal and outside safety. Keep alcohol-based wipes handy at all times to keep hands in the area clean in between installation breaks. Employees must be equipped with the proper hygiene knowledge and procedures set forth by the CDC before working on any job or entering any indoor or outdoor work sites. These trainings include guidelines such as hand washing and equipment cleaning. Big Shine's top priority is the well-being of our employees and yours. We are here to help you with your lighting upgrade in the healthiest and safest way possible, while providing services to help you cut down on facility operation costs during this time of adjustment. Contact us to get started at 845-444-5255 or at info@bigshineenergy.com. Thanks for watching.